Hello guys, my name is Rhode. Today we are making muffins, but these ones are made with bananas. If you have ripened bananas like these ones, don't throw them away. Use them for these muffins that are really yummy, and I know that you will enjoy it. I'm sure that all the ingredients needed for this recipe, you have them in your pantry or refrigerator, and for this recipe we are going to need very little ingredients. First, we have here 1 cup of oil. You can use vegetable oil or butter if you like the taste of butter. It's perfect for this recipe. We have 1 cup of sugar, granulated white sugar. You can use a Splenda or monk fruit or whatever sweetener of your preference. I have here 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to use 2 bananas. I also have ½ cup of milk. You can use whole milk or almond milk or soy milk or coconut milk as well. 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. The process for these muffins is so easy. First step is to peel the bananas and mash them pretty well. Right away, you want to add your sugar, 4 eggs, if you have a blender, you want to use it. You want to add your vanilla extract, then your milk and oil. Mix well. My secret ingredient for this recipe is yogurt. You want to add 1 cup of yogurt. Okay, so once you have a mixture like this batter is perfect. Now let's add the dry ingredients. You don't need to sieve it. A little bit. This is the perfect consistency that you want to have in your batter. So this is what you're looking for. Okay, this is perfect. Now we can put into our molds. And whatever else is left, I put it in here. This is optional. You could add it to your muffins. In my case, I'm adding some pecans. These are fresh pecans, not roasted, not salted. I will add some on top, and this is up to you. Let's add some sugar on top, like this. Clean the edges so the sugar won't be burned on top of this. Okay, and this is perfect. You can take it to the oven, 350 Fahrenheit per 1 hour approximately. Wow, you guys, this came out of the oven, so give it a rest for 5 minutes at least before serving. This is so beautiful and smells so good. These muffins look so yummy. If you like this recipe, hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.